Hello friends, today we are going to look at 10 phrasal verbs you can use every day. I will explain each one in very easy language with examples you hear in real life. Alright friends, let's get started. Our first phrasal verb is call off. This means to cancel something. Okay, let's understand this with the help of some examples. They had to call off the meeting because the manager was not available. The match was called off due to rain. Okay friends, let's look at another phrasal verb, look after. And the meaning is to take care of someone or something. And the examples are, please look after my bag for a minute. She looks after her grandparents on weekends. Okay, now let's move on to the next phrasal verb, run into. And the meaning is to meet someone by chance. Okay, let's take a few examples. I ran into an old friend at the market. He ran into his teacher while shopping. Okay. Now, let's talk about another phrasal verb. Put off. It means to delay or to postpone something. Okay. Examples are, do not put off your homework. Let's take another example. They put off the event until next week. Next, we have another phrasal verb that is very common in daily conversation. And that phrasal verb is turn down. And meaning is to reject something. Okay, and the examples are, she turned down the job offer. He turned down my request politely. Okay, let's understand another phrasal verb. This one is just as important as the previous one. And that phrasal verb is bring up. And the meaning is to start talking about a topic, and the examples are, do not bring up old issues again. He brought up a new idea in the meeting. Okay learners, moving ahead, let's check the next phrasal verb. Carry on. It means to continue. Okay, let's take a few examples. You can carry on with your work. They carried on talking after the class ended. Now, it's time for another phrasal verb. Find out. It means to discover or to learn something. And the examples are, I will find out what happened. She found out the answer quickly. Okay. Another phrasal verb is give up. It means to stop trying. And the examples are, do not give up on your dreams. He gave up smoking last year. Okay. Now, let's look at the last phrasal verb for today. Work out. It means to solve a problem or exercise. And the examples are, we need to work out this issue. She works out every morning. Okay learners, keep learning. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe if you like the video. See you next time. Thank you.